So I just want to show you a quick video here that the Gen 5W infotainment system in Hyundai Kia vehicles does automatically change the time when you cross time zones. We're going to be crossing into Central Time right here at Culberson County. Culberson County line is right here, and you'll see it should change. 15:14 is the time. It should change any moment now to the new GPS time. There it goes. See, there's a pop-up there. Time zone change to Central Time. So yeah, Hyundai Kia vehicles on the Gen 5W infotainment system, and probably the newer ones as well, will automatically change your time zone for you based on your GPS. So no need to fumble and change the settings when you cross time zones. It updates automatically. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And I guess you can just go to the settings just to confirm. Settings, general, and it'll be under time and date right here. Set the time automatically is an option right there, and you'll see it'll just do it automatically when you cross time zones. And if you're in the main infotainment system, it'll give you a little pop-up to let you know. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this quick video here, but a very nice feature that Hyundai Kia cars have. But thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out my other videos related to the EV6 and get subscribed so you don't miss out on any videos, including range tests, charging tests, and EV road trips.